Welcome back, friends. I hope all is well with everyone. Today I'm sharing with you a baked tortellini recipe that is super easy and fairly quick to get on the table during a busy week. But you need your favorite spaghetti sauce, a 24-ounce jar. I like this marinara sauce for recipes like this. And I have 2 jars because I wasn't sure if I was going to need, to have extra. And you need 1 bag of cheese tortellini or any type of tortellini flavor that you like. So a 19-ounce bag. And originally I was just going to use half of the bag, but decided for my family I needed to use both bags. You need 1 cup of mozzarella cheese shredded, a half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning that's dry, 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, and 1 pound of ground beef. And that's just slightly over a pound, but that worked out great for us. And to start making this, you will brown your ground beef first. And you just want to break it up into little small pieces as you're cooking it. And then you're going to start adding your seasoning. So add in the garlic powder, then add the onion powder and the Italian seasoning. Now with this, I also will add a little bit more seasoning just because, that's just how I like to cook things. So I'm adding in just some of this Ragin' Cajun y'all purpose seasoning. So I really like that in this. And just a little bit, so you can add whatever you want to this and make it your own. But I want to drain off all of that grease that's in there, and then I'm going to start putting the cream cheese in. So you just want to move your ground beef over to one side of the pan, cut up the cream cheese into little blocks. You'll put it in the pan, and then you're going to start to melt this. So it doesn't necessarily have to be softened cream cheese because, like I said, we're going to be melting it anyway. And as it starts to melt, I kind of melt it a little bit on its own. Then as it melts a little bit more, I start adding it into the ground beef. And it will, it will melt into that ground beef. So it's not going to really be any like little pieces or anything left. So as long as your pan's hot enough, it will melt. Then just, like I said, blend it with the ground beef. Now, I cooked my tortellini, and I did use 2 bags and then 1 jar of the sauce, and that actually worked out really well. So unless you want a saucier pasta, add in more sauce or use, like I said, less tortellini. But this worked out great for us. Then I just added in the ground beef and cream cheese mixture. And you just want to gently, stir it in so that way it doesn't break up the tortellini too much. So a 9 by 13 inch dish is what you're going to need. And I just sprayed it with some nonstick spray. And then I'm going to just, pour that tortellini into there. This will be baked in the oven. So make sure it's an oven safe dish. Now I'm adding just it calls for 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. I'm kind of, measuring with my heart here. So I added a little bit more, I know, than 1 cup. I like to kind of make sure the top is covered fairly well. And then once you get your mozzarella cheese on top, then take the Parmesan cheese and just sprinkle it over that. Bake it in the oven on 350 for about 20 minutes or so. You just want to get it to where it's all those flavors meld together and it gets that cheese melted. So this is what it looks like when it's done. Really delicious. This was definitely a hit with my family. They all enjoyed it. It was really a good meal. So like I said, if you add a little extra seasoning and things like that to it, I think that helps a little bit. And just a simple but easy and delicious meal. We did have, I just opened up a can of sweet peas that I had, several cans, and then some garlic knots we had on the side, and it was a delicious, hearty meal. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. Hope everyone has a blessed day and a great week ahead. God bless y'all.